Say what? Well, we about to fight for our life.
The nerve.
I know I wasn't tripping. Oh, what the heck? Oh, nah. Who had a purple extended heavy mag, bro? That's crazy. Aw, dang. 2 finishers?
I've been away so long. Part of me forgot how
Hey,
good it
Cairo, I ain't
feels
gonna lie.
to
We
be
might be
here.
getting carried this game.
Reloading. That whole squad.
Healing.
Oh, the other control you was talking about is the new one?
Blast. I'm taking
And it's just dead.
Grenade.
Alright, we're in the
Cage
whole
alive.
fight right now.
Reloading.
Got him out.
Track it down. You play recklessly. I don't like that. Being shot at.
Thank you, Cairo.
Not used to taking bodies off the ground. Using this.
Yeah, I heard.
Reload. Getting healthy, dang dang.
Healed me would have let you rot. Get down again, and I still might.
You straight, Cairo? Fuck you mean, no? You ain't got a choice. You got a turbocharger heavy. Oh, I need that. Oh, there's people on me. I'm so dead.
I'm down.
Activating hardware reboot.
They're reviving.
Smart bullet firing.
What are you doing, Cairo?
Forcing to heal. Got a level and an upgrade.
Oh, am I dead still?
Reloading.
Deploying a heat shield. Chosen.
Man, what the fuck?
Being shot at.
Oh.
Reloading.
Oh, my gun was not reloaded. See, that was just unfortunate. That whole game was just unfortunate. Video.
Let it close.
Yeah,
Real gate.
sadly. Say what? For sure. I killed him.
Pretty good for an.
Bro, why you punching him, Cairo? So barbaric. Cairo, there's a Mozambique up here.
Never mind.
Enemy taken out. Stop it. Fire.
Being shot at. Just you and me left.
That's crazy.
Ooh, new kill
Nah,
leader
you get
out
back
there
here.
to play with. Close
Nah, you
ring.
get back here.
We've got 30 seconds. Placing a gate. Enemy shield. Reloading.
Nah, I don't know why she
That
did
squad
that.
is as
Like,
dead as this
I
world's future.
gotta kill you after that.
I leveled up. For once. Being
Like
predictable.
that shit was
It's an
spiteful for
upgrade.
no
Now
reason,
who
bro.
to test it on?
Oh my god, what is going on? Right now?
Enemy shield crack. Reloading. Enemy shield crack. Being shot at. Running out the gate.
Yeah, it was nothing I could do.
Can you really call it a god?
like I was trying, but like the more I tried, it was like, what can I do? Like that's crazy to have bots on Twitch, how closely they be monitoring everything. Man, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, where you at, Kyra? I can't lose you a second time, man. God damn!
Being shot at. Reloading. I've been downed. Already
Yeah, no
enemy
shit,
ring.
Cairo. No shit. Like I can't feel them bullets in the back of my head, bro. Like that was the stupidest shit you done told, man. What the fuck is your bro? Alright, guys. Yo, you got a nigga behind you. Nah, nigga, he not shooting at me right now.
Heads up.
Why did I get finished? Not you. That's not even fair for real. Because I used my gun. Bro, teammate going crazy, bro. Never mind. Never mind. Bro, imagine doing less than 50 damage. That shit is crazy.
My synapses are firing again. Thank you.
Target landed close.
Oh, there's people? Cairo, there's people on me.
Broke a shield.
Oh! Boy got smashed.
Reloading.
Oh, my teammate just took my ammo.
Forcing to heal.
Enemy shield cracked.
That means you always not.
Bam.
Let's go here.
Enemy shield first blood. Reloading.
I'm coming, Cairo.
Go here.
Do it really or do you sell?
Being shot at.
God damn. I don't know why, like, I didn't think he was gonna push me. Yeah, fuck him up, teammate. Fuck him up, teammate.
Keep that teal thing away from me. Reloading.
Hold on. I'm charging shields.
Decoy escape deployed.
Yeah, I think I heard.
Loading. Enemy down. Enemy killed. I took care of it, don't worry. Alright, frag out.
Bro, teammate go.
Rep. Yep, ghost.
I'm spotted.
I got 57 on him. Yeah.
Shot at.
Oh yeah. My aim is so good.
Mini shield crack.
63.
Level third party's here to play.
Third party.
I've been downed.
The third
Picked
party.
an upgrade to give me the.
Downed an enemy. Yeah, sending out a decoy. Shot fired, and they're hitting me. 45 seconds. Ring's not too far.
Oh yeah, teammate carry. Carry teammate.
Give him my shield to recharge.
There's a guy over there. And there's people fight him and they're not on teams. You died. Other side of the building right here.
Firing.
Coming in through the door. Coming in through the door. Two of them. Did you not go invisible on that screen?
Raj here to save the day.
Hold on, recharging shield. Grenade, how'd you like? Another score throwing
Ain't
fuel
no
on our fire.
motherfucking way, bro. I got found out immediately. Hey, I'm putting down my ult. I'm putting down my ult.
Attention.
Setting up our fallback.
Package.
Bam! I got a bad guy. Bad guy getting revived. Need to re-kill them.
Travel to the ult. Travel to the ult, bro. Dude left the game. Yeah, you little punk.
Right,
Alright, let's go over there. I don't know what he had going on.
Destroying my void nexus.
Attention. The kit leader has been eliminated.
There's people on me, Cairo.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Laser gate for any crashes.
Yeah, I know.
Reloading.
Bitch.
Rings close. If you really want a break, I could drop you in a broom closet again. Reloading. Hold on, recharging shield.
Are we cooked?
Hit. Close ring. We've got 30 seconds. Third
Where?
party's here to play. Take it down. Shield.
Bro, Amos has almost
That
cooked me
squad
just
is
now.
as dead as this world's future. 10 seconds to ring close. If you really want a break, I could drop you in a broom closet again.
Cairo.
Getting healthy. I'm done.
I don't know if we cooked or not, Cairo.
Outside the ring, but the fun happens inside. Lane Zime. Hold on, recharging shield.
Let's go then. We waiting on. Nigga, you're full health. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, you was. And you full now, so get to moving. Move your booty. What telling me to shut up for? Cause you, hey, low key. Low key. Low key.
Firing.
Hey, what y'all doing? What you doing? Who else up in there? You saying the heat shields?
Raining fire.
Hit 42.
Being shot at.
He did the bullet thing.
Replicator incoming. Shields recharging. Go here.
Remember that, around that corner, Kyro, be careful. You be alright. Word.
60 seconds till ring close.
I feel like we can win this though. Being smart. They trying to get up here too.
Nearby ring and closing in 45. Being shot at.
Oh shit! I should have left. What? Kyro, do you have a silver ball?
Now this is very fun when you win.
Oh, okay. We should have left.
Grenade incoming.
Oh, it's a grenade. Are they close?
Being shot
Oh! Oh!
at. I've been down.
Okay, I traded.
Bad guys, let's do this.
Target down.
Kyro. Kyro. Not like that. No, I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. You got this. Stop playing. Stop playing, bro. Easiest dubs of your fucking life, bro.
You're lucky I'm helping you after what you did to us.
Being shot at.
I don't know. He broke my shield. Chill.
Shields recharging.
Yo, cracked an enemy shield. Real.
Attention. Delivery.
Replicator coming down.
I don't even know where they at.
Shake a leg.
Being shot at. Firing. Hold on. Recharging shields.
He's down the hall, but let's move up here.
Good place to start a scene.
They're shooting at me.
Nearby ring.
Yeah.
Being shot at. Hold on. Recharging
Kyro,
shields.
why are you not moving up here? Like, nigga, I said let's
Getting
move
healthy.
up
Dun
here.
dun.
Return fire does not mean stay.
Being shot at.
I'm not gonna win this fight like this.
Frag out.
Delivering care package.
Grenade. Hygia. Stop taking damage.
Yo, cracked an enemy shield.
Shields recharging.
Good job, teammate.
Broke a shield.
Yo, cracked an enemy.
Not.
Target down.
Stop playing.
That's
Man,
what
this
is as
bad
good as this
motherfucker
world's
here.
future.
Just us and them. Come on, amigos. Charging shields.
Attention.
Come on, come on.
Delivering replicator.
Replicator coming down.
Getting health back.
Whoa, you're not good at this, are you? Reminds me of Suotamo.
I didn't realize. My bad, bro.
Leveled up, and bringing ruin gets a little easier.
You know what? Thank you.
60
Love me up,
seconds to
man.
ring close. Picked an upgrade to give me the upper hand. Why? Care package over there.
Ooh, it's a Kraber. I ain't gonna hold you. I look you want that hoe.
So
People on me.
over here.
Oh damn, they sensitive too. Oh my god. Hey, come here ASAP, please. Oh no, they pushing me. Why did my thing not go through? Damn, I want that Kraber. They took it, huh? Yeah, they took it. It was right there.
Something fun inside.
Yup. Ah, damn. This is not what I want to go against.
Could be fun
This is
over
the
here.
area. Do one up on me. Ooh. He got radios and shit. My aim is horrible.
Reloading. Target down.
There's another one here?
Big
Where's the
shot
other one
at.
at? I can't see him. Oh my god. Bro, I thought y'all already got the other one. Oh, dang. Teammate did 1,000 damage with 1 kill. Teammate. Yeah, get him, teammate. Get him. Get him, teammate. Fuck him up, teammate.
Got my upgrade, ladies.
Alright, let's go. Alright, I should probably ask this, but where are they? Ah. Broke shit on the race.
Reloading.
Broke shit on Bloodhound.
I'm spotted. Reloading. They got me. I'm down.
Fuck, it's one more.
On my marker.
Bloodhound down there. Well, probably 2 more.
Lifelines got your back.
They're still fighting.
Enemy
Yeah, I
over
hear him, I
there.
hear him, I hear him. There you go one. It's a rampart right here.
Knuckle cluster's fired. Here comes the bubble. Chucking a thermite. Break 'em.
You burning him?
An enemy landed near me. What do you say we move here?
It's two.
Deploying me knuckle cluster.
Need lead.
Check that shit out, little girl.
Need leg. Spotted. Double timing it. Give my shield
Yeah.
a recharge.
Okay, good, Kyra.
An enemy shield. Tango
Knock
down.
pass, knock pass.
45 seconds. Rings just.
Come here.
Juicing me shields.
I dare him to jump.
3-0. Rings close.
Okay, Pathfinder died. I'm going around.
Enemy right here.
I'm down.
The shield not broke.
Lifeline got your back.
Fuck.
I'm sorry it had to be this way.
I was sure about to play Rick one of those. It's like a full-blown bitch right now, cuz. What you sound like? Why'd you take the damn peacekeeper? I was grabbing it. Oh, where are you?
Enemy down. The battle happens quick. Be
You
ready.
got one?
You challenged the wrong person.
If we had one more person, yeah. Nah, you don't win it, bro. You know what I like to beat? Not winning. Kyra.
First blood. Chaos begins.
Look, I'm running to you. I just go Kyra.
Reloading.
Alright, I killed somebody.
Broke a shield.
Alright,
That squad is
best player in the
as
game,
this
baby.
world's future. I leveled up. For once, I'm being predictable.
Hop up here. Armor point.
Reloading.
I don't need that. You know what I got? I got 2 car SMGs.
Back here.
Scrumptious.
Why? I've upgraded.
Contacted enemy.
I hear somebody sneaking around up in here, bro.
Wasn't a
Bro,
heal.
there's somebody here.
Got a mark.
There's people on me. There's people on me.
Being shot at.
She's not. Oh, okay.
Fire, I'm down.
Fuck. Alright, she's weak, Kyro. You got this. You got this. She's weak.
Enemy down.
Kyro, you are fucking lifeline.
So you're dead most
You don't come revive me.
I'm healing. Hold on. Recharging shields.
Teammate, what you shooting at, bro?
I'm taking shots.
Care package coming down. Enemy
Got it
shield
fast.
cracked.
That's the last of that squad. This dimension
Yep.
is clean up.
Half the squad's left. We can end their worlds.
Cairo. Cairo. You see that guy in the corner? See that guy in the corner? Close the fucking door. We're cooked. 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 Shut up. Shut up. We're cooked. I'm healing.
Fire. Getting shot at.
I couldn't. I was looting.
I've been downed.
Ah!
Hold on. Recharging shields.
Teammate left.
Broke a shield.
You know I'm coming. I'm coming for you. Fuck.
Gracias, amigo. I was bored until you came along. Respect.
Coisa fofa. Thank you.
Alright, well that's the video. I'll try to have another video out soon. Like, in case y'all haven't caught on now, I'm just gonna be playing games that I usually play, and I'm just putting them out there to the public. Cause I know everybody tired of seeing these really good people. You know what I'm saying? The other side of the spectrum of the game world don't get to shine. You know what I'm saying? The casual gamers, you feel me? So like, I'm gonna make sure y'all see the casual side.